Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new update on Starknet or Stark, whatever. I'm just going to call it whatever. But we'll do a full update. And if you watched my video yesterday, congratulations, because this was expected. All right. Yesterday, what we saw, and I'm not sure, but because I'm analyzing like I don't know 50 cryptos a day right now. But yesterday, I do remember that I said that it was most likely we would head up to that top right here at 2.1. And one of the key reasons, which I found at least, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show that to you, because at this moment certain sites I use are not fully cooperating. But I still kind of do know what was going on, right? Because for Stark, what happened is that just in general, the market structure right now, it's a consolidation, all right? At least on the 1 hour time frame. I mean, you could make an argument that this was a consolidation and that this is an uptrend or the start of an uptrend. I can agree with that. I can agree with the fact that that's a possibility. I don't think it's the case yet, though. But if you assume that the market structure is a consolidation, we hit the bottom yesterday, or at least that bottom area, where there also was a lot of liquidity, and that's also one of the key reasons why I thought we would actually bounce from there. There was a lot of liquidity, so we liquidated all of those longers. And then usually after hitting liquidity, you go back up. And there was a lot of liquidity right here at 2.05 and 2.1 as well. So that's why it was most likely we would head up there as well. Apart from that, being in this consolidation. So that is what's going on right now. And that's the situation right now. So far, it's been true. But what I also said yesterday, and I do think that the situation has changed a little bit for the better. What I said yesterday is that I do not expect us to get a breakout, all right, because there is a lot of liquidity. I see no reason, even though the fundamentals surrounding Starknet have increased a little bit. And if you look at, for example, the total value locked, I assume that that's also still increasing by quite a lot. Yeah, it's now above 200 million. So fundamentally, Starknet definitely can break out, especially with a Bitcoin that's this strong. However, I'm not convinced yet. All right, so let's actually look at one of the sites which we can use for some more information. And what you'll see here is those liquidations to the downside, for example. All right, so here we had some. It's not too much, but here you can see that we did have some long liquidation. So there we had a bit of a sell-off, which is to be expected in spots, but also a lot in futures. And then what we're seeing right now, which I think is very interesting, is we see a little bit of a bump in the CVD right here while the open interest is going up. So long positions were being accumulated at 1.95. That's right here. I mean, that's still pretty high up. So that gives me a little bit of hope for some sort of bullish breakout and continued bullish momentum. But I don't think we're there yet. I mean, if you look at the open interest right now, it's compared to other times, it's not as high. All right, here you can see the open interest dropping down. For example, these were still a lot of short positions. I would love to know where most of the liquidity is to the supply side, so to the upside, because if people short, that creates liquidity to the upside. I would love to know that. So that, in combination with the fact that we got some big buy orders right here and that the market circumstances are good, leads me to believe that maybe after a pullback down to 1.95 again, but I do think it's most likely we'll head up for 2.1 and 2.15. I think there's a very realistic chance we break above that, but at this moment, I don't see it, all right? At this moment, and my main price target then would be 2.4, by the way. So if for some reason we do break above 2.15, then you know what to aim for. However, like I said, at this moment, I don't think that's most likely. At this moment, I don't see any reason why the market structure would break, all right? And that's the key reason why I'm telling you that I think it's most likely that, sure, we'll head up there, but that will also find resistance and head back down. But those are my thoughts. I mean, I'll try to keep you updated on this. And like I said, I would have loved some more information to give you, but I'll save that for tomorrow. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.